I just got home and these packages came in my room. And I'm actually unboxing them today. The blue one is from yepononis.com. And this one is I ordered from a friend in my Facebook account. His name is Mary John. So, let's do the unboxing. So, let's cut this one. I'm so excited because these items are from the Master in Busan. I am so social naman, ang dami. Bahala na sila. Oh! VTX BTS na paper bag. Ang cute! Actually, I bought 10 of this. Tadan! Ang dami niya, right? So happy. Next spool. Cuticoton. Samples. Ang dami yung binigay! I have Sugar Jean RM. I don't know the other one. But yeah, ang dami. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. The Shuki banner. The cookie banner. And the Master inflatable seat from the Master Life. Okay. So what we got here is the fifth Master inflatable seat, the cookie cloth banner, Shuki cloth banner, this one from the pop-up store event by L'Atelier des Styles. Samples, ang dami niyang samples na binigay, and this paper bags. The photos are so HD, kahit nasabi ni noon na it's not a high quality na paper bags, I still love them. So, madami ako gagamitin na paper bags. So, that's it from Yepon Onis. Now, we're going to open from Mary John. Okay, medyo challenging ito. Because this is ano siya. Ito yung big hit BTS World OST album. Yeah. Super packed. What's good is hindi nila pinapabayaan na pangit yung packaging. And secured na secured yung item. Kapag gusto ko kasi yung fast ETA, I don't actually order on direct Korean supplier. Instead, I order sa kanya. Because super fast na. And medyo makamenos ako ng shipping, international shipping fee kasi super mahal. The BTS World on my other video na siguro next week na, because I'm so really tired this week na ang dami kong a-attendan na seminar. I have to attend seminar for 3 days and I have meetings and deadlines to catch up. So I got V as one of the freebies. Thank you for purchasing. Let me know when you receive this feedback on my tweet. I will feedback talaga. And I got Yongki. So, this is mine. This is for my friend. Wow. It's so beautiful. I like it a lot, guys. And let's see what's the freebie. Oh, we have Jungkook PC, Jimin, obviously the Maknae. And that's it. This is what I got for a very good start of the week because, you know,
Can't see the stop sign, what you gonna say? Wondering quietly, right into my dreams. It's so